Welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about computer fundamental. Under it we will discuss about the brief history of computer system. Before it we have discussion about the computer system and its parts, hardware parts, software parts and user. Today we will discuss about computer history and ancient computer basics. So let's start this video. Here I'll show you some headings that are made by me, so you can understand it very well and it is very beneficial for you regarding your exams. So first we will see computer. This is a high speed electronic device. We know about it that accept data and instructions from user, then process the data according to produce information as output. Computer is an electronic device. Today it is a very important device for all the sectors. It spreaded a large area. The work of computer, it gets instruction from the user and produce result as output. The processing is done by the computer. After that we can get useful data. Next, the first mechanical calculator developed by Blaise Pascal acted as a model for the modern computers. The first mechanical calculator was developed by the Blaise Pascal. So we can say that today's computers are the depend on the model of mechanical calculator. Next, abacus. This is the root of modern computer. This is only a frame with contains bits. So abacus is not an electronic computer but the structure for the modern electronic computer. This is only frame which contain bits. Next, Pascaline. This machine was invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal in 1642. It has gear and shafts. This machine contains with the gear and shafts. It is not a mechanical computer or electronic computer. It is the machine which operated manually by the users. Next, Jacquard looms. This loom was developed by a French scientist, Joseph Jacquard. This loom was controlled by the holes in a cardboard punch card. The punch card, like a controlling device in that type of computers. The French scientist Joseph Jacquard developed this loom. This loom was controlled by the holes in a cardboard. Next, difference engine. Charles Babbage invented this machine in 1822, was called difference engine. This was a calculating machine. This machine is used for calculating sums and complicated numbers, and it was developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. Analytical engine. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage developed a perfect machine which could perform addition, subtraction. In next time, Charles Babbage, the father of computer, developed a perfect machine which could perform addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. That was called analytical engine. So that machine was very useful that time in calculation. Next, Edna-Soft-Berry computer. We call this machine ABC. So the student noted this machine is called ABC. This is an important point for the examination. This machine was developed by Dr. Edna-Soft-Berry. In 1939, it is used 45 vacuum tubes for internal logic and storage. We have known about the vacuum tubes. In previous class, we learnt about first generation of computers in which vacuum tubes are used. So 45 vacuum tubes is used in this Edna-Soft-Berry computer for internal logic and storage. Next, Mark 1. This is the first electromechanical computer. You can say this is first electronic computer that was developed by Howard Aiken. Next, ENIAC, ENIAC, the full form of ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and calculator. You have to note it. It is very important full form regarding examination. This machine was developed by Prosper Eckert and J.W. Muchly. In 1945, it is used high-speed vacuum tubes devices. So, I'll finish this class here because I cannot upload long videos on the WhatsApp group. So, this class will be finished here. I'll show you next topic in next class. Thank you.